Good morning, everyone. Respected Kavar sir, Dinah ma'am, Roy sir, coordinators, and my dear colleagues. Ours is land of sages, known for bravery for ages. None can with it compete, its culture none can beat. Whatever caste or religion, we live here in unison. With rivers, sweet fountains, it's a land of high mountains. Its green forests are pretty and a source of prosperity. Let's for it work hard, for its safety be on guard. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Now I request Rajesh Wala ma'am to please hoist the flag.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Good morning everyone. Honorable Karwar sir, respected Dinah ma'am, Roy sir, coordinators and my dear colleagues. Today we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the Independence Day of our country. The story of our freedom struggle is very big, which cannot be described in a day. Those difficult times and struggles must not be allowed to fade away from our memories. Hence, every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country, and the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. Today, 74 years after independence, our country is moving towards progress in every field. Our country is writing a new chapter every day in different fields like military strength, education, technology, and sports. India made headlines in the fields ranging from nanotechnology to space and defense sectors. Several scientific developments, new techniques, and promising technologies in the fields of medicine and biotechnology gave hopes to the whole world. Covaxin, India's indigenous COVID-19 vaccine by Bharat Biotech, is one such biggest achievement of our scientists. Independence Day is one of the honorable celebrations of the nation. This day is celebrated with lot of enthusiasm and patriotism. In the end, we cannot merely say that 15th August is solely about freedom. It reminds us of the pain of being enslaved, of the strength in unity. It defines sacrifice. It gives us an example that some wars can be won with non-violence. And of all the things, it makes us value and cherish the freedom we have today. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of this country to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Rajesh ma'am, for such a beautiful message. Now I request Pooja Kalu ma'am to sing a patriotic song.
है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन मेरे वतन। तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन मेरे वतन।
Thank you, Pooja ma'am. Now I request Rita Nanda ma'am to give a special message on Independence Day.
Good morning all. Respected Kawa sir, Diana ma'am, Roy sir, coordinators, worthy teacher and my dear students. I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day of our beloved country India. Independence is a great gift of God. It's indeed a blessing of our Lord. We are independent, respected and progressive nation of this world. We are advanced in technology, military, arts and architecture. We have an advanced agriculture system. We are self-sufficient in many resources. Today we play an important role in all important international affairs around the world. Our youth are leading the world in technology and engineering. In fact, since the day of independence to this day, we have much dwelt in every sphere of life. Dear friends, let's all of us make a fresh commitment today. Let's unite and work hard and always keep trying to be the better and better at everything that adds value to us and our nation. Let's forget the differences of caste, color and creed and stand for the broader aims of progress, prosperity, peace and justice throughout our land. I would like to quote the lines from our beloved Shaheed Bhagat Singh Ji. May the sun in his course visit no land more free, more happy, more lovely than this our own country. Last but certainly not the least, I would like to say, feel proud of being a part of prosperous nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Rita ma'am, for such an inspirational message. Now I request Roy sir to come and to share his views on this auspicious occasion.
Today marks the Independence Day of our beloved motherland. It is a day when patriotic fervour envelops us and celebratory events are held across the length and breadth of the country as well as the Indian missions overseas, during which the achievements of our nation, not only in the freedom struggle but in various fields of excellence, are recalled with pride. However, independence is not merely a one-time event which took place in the summer of 1947. There were individual freedom struggles throughout our checkered history that finally culminated in that unforgettable moment. Hence, independence is not an occasion, but a journey and a continuous process lived from day to day in the lives of each and every one of the citizens across all ages and sections of society. Independence is not an individual task, but a collective responsibility. Today, the nation looks back with pride over the achievements of the past several decades. But the challenge is also to look ahead to a future that still needs to be carved out. Today is yet another milestone in that journey. A milestone by its very nature is just a number, a marker or a pointer showing the way ahead. It is certainly not the destination. A milestone indicates how far we have traveled and how much of the journey lies ahead in the path of nation building. It is good to celebrate the successes in all spheres of activity, but there is always the danger of complacency, of being comfortable with what has been achieved, which often leads to stagnation. It is up to each one of us to map the road ahead, both in our individual and collective lives. The task of nation building is not merely the responsibility of our national or local leaders and those at the helm of affairs. Rather, it is the duty of every responsible citizen of India, which includes each of us as educators and the students entrusted to our care. The task before us all is onerous and most demanding. Nation building ought to be the dream of every citizen of our beloved motherland. Like the rolling hills that dot our beloved motherland and the lapping of the waves that constantly wash our shores, the horizon is still far away and the sky is the limit. The possibilities are endless if we only dare to dream and care to look. I end with the timeless words of our late President Abdul J. Kalam. Dreams are not those which visit us while sleeping. Rather, dreams are those desires and aspirations that do not let you sleep. So let us all dream and remain responsibly awake. It is with these sentiments that I join the director, respected Kaveh sir, Diana ma'am, the coordinators and teachers in wishing you all a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you everyone for participating in this program. Now I request teacher and co-teachers to go in their respective classes to have a similar program with their students. Thank you everyone and happy Independence Day to everyone. Thank you.